Okay, this is the boot rack, and it's been raining outside, so I don't want to put it in the wet, but this is what it looks like in some decent sunlight. But remember, I was telling you guys I'm going to do a hook at the top. Now this is going to hook over set of French doors at my closet, and I got a 3-inch screw that's going through the top, that's going down into this 1-inch board, and you can see the little kick out I got to kind of hold it in place. So with the top being held and the bottom and all the weight will be going this direction, I'm suspecting that'll be a good setup, because I've done stuff like this before and it seems to work good. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, and you see how much room that takes up. And to be honest, that's not all my boots. I still got wet gear stuff that I got out there, but I'm going to clear all this floor space up and put in this little tiny area, go up. It's kind of like using the what they do in big cities. Instead of making it wide, they make it tall. So that's my idea on this. 7/8 dowel, 7/8, 7/8, 7/8, 3/4, 3/4, and these were all cut at 9 inches, and them are around 9 inches too. That seems to be about the optimum length. So let me go put this in place. I'll do another video, and then I'll do another video. I'll load it up with the boots. So see you in a little bit. Okay, now you see that little space just right behind, or right beside the dresser, and you can see that's wasted space right there. And I'm going to put all them boots lined up like that, just like that, and that wasted space will be taken up by that little footprint, and I'll put all them shoes in good order. So let me load that booger up and we'll do another video. But you see, I don't think it's going to stick too far past the dresser. Okie doke, let's load that booger up. Okay, that worked out better than I thought. I was able to move it over towards the cabinet a little bit more to get it away from the stuff there, but look how it doesn't take up much room, and all of them are stacked up and organized and out of the way. This would be smart because you could actually rotate boots, rotate your boots out easier. So man, this is a cool idea. I got another shoe rack, to put them in, low-rise shoes, and I'm gonna put it against that metal thingy there, and it'll be a neat design. It's in an upcoming video. You notice that a lot of these boots have got an oily look to them. I coat them down with mink oil. I use heat gun, and I soak that mink oil into them, and that makes the leather more pliable. They work better, and it gets them to be kind of waterproof. Like this set of boots right here, I got right after high school, so it would be 81, 82, 83, somewhere around there. I got them boots, and I still got them. Still wear them. This set is about to wear out. I'll be getting rid of them and something else. But them top ones were my driving boots, and I need to get better shoelaces for them. But you see how little space it takes up and how it hides and gets out of the way. And this worked out better than I thought it would. So, and I still got access to my closet and get to my shirts and everything. So, guys, this is a great idea. This will be my final video on this one. And this worked out really, really good. So, I like how this turned out. So, you guys build you something like this. This is really smart stuff, you know. And follow, like and follow my stuff. I need all the help I can get. I finally got my 1,000 subscriber after 10 years. So I need to get further. Anyhow, you guys, I got more videos coming. And stay tuned and look at my other ones. And we'll see you on the next video.